Want to finally take control of your finances and make your money work for you? In today's video, I'm sharing 7 powerful budgeting secrets that can help you save more, spend smarter, and achieve your financial goals faster than you ever thought. Pause. Secret 1. Automate your savings. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts ensures you save before you have a chance to spend. Secret 2. Use the 50/30/20 rule. Modify the classic rule to fit your lifestyle and financial goals. For example, allocate 30% for savings and investments instead of 20%. Secret 3. The envelope system reimagined. Digital envelope systems or apps can help you manage your budget more effectively in today's cashless society. Secret 4. Track the small expenses. The small, daily expenses add up. Use a budgeting app to track every dollar. Secret 5. Negotiate your bills. Many bills, from utilities to subscriptions, can be negotiated down if you know how to ask. Secret 6. Budget for fun. Set aside a fun budget to avoid feeling deprived and to stick to your budget in the long run. Secret 7. Review and adjust regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regularly reviewing your budget ensures it stays relevant to your financial situation. If you found these secrets helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a budgeting boost, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips and tricks. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.